Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video with my Boxycharm unboxing and try on. Yes, I've been doing a lot of try-ons lately because it's been coming late. I did not receive a track number for my premium, but guess what? This and my premium actually came together. So tomorrow I will be filming the premium, of course, because I can't do 3 videos in one day, especially because it's about to be like really late. So anyways, I put on some lashes. If you want to know what lashes I have on, everything will be down in the description box below. Also what I have on my nails and everything else. Also my Macari if you want to help a girl out, and all the stuff in here in this box, and how to get this box. Basically, if you haven't signed up already, it's all in the description box. Always go check the description box. Also, if you want to contact your girl, email, Instagram, everything down below. Also, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload. I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday at 11 a.m. So good morning. I know my lashes are wonky. I had this on for like majority of the day. Anyways, let's get into this baby. I know one item that I chose, and one of the items that I chose is the Dose of Color Concealer. That's why I am barefaced, well, almost barefaced. I got like a cream highlighter and some primer on. Okay, so the theme of this month is Candy Shop. And I know everybody's singing the 50 Cent song, but I'm going to say the Little Man song. I take her to the butcher shop. I let her lick the ham hock. Whoa. Give me them locks. Whoa. Yeah. That's what I think of when I see the candy shop. I think of the Little Man. I take her to the butcher shop. And I got variation 28. I don't know what the weight is because, again, both of my boxes came at once, so it could have been both of them together. I will leave the weight if you really want to know down below in the description box. Again, check that description box, girl. Check that description box, okay? So the first item in the box is the Dose of Color Concealer. This retails for $24. This is the Me Hue Concealer. I got it in the shade 29. It comes in 30. And we're gonna see if I picked the right shade, because the other one was looking a little deep, but I don't know. This multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. So let's open this up, and bam! I think that's a good shade for me. I think this is I think this is a good shade for me. Let me swatch it. Ew, this is what the Doe applicator looks like. And oh, it's a great shade for me. I didn't need to go deeper. I did not need to go deeper. I'm gonna just put that on my eyes as a primer. Ooh, I'm liking this. I'm liking this already. I'm liking this already. I'm liking it already. It didn't say if it's like natural or matte, so we're gonna see today. Wow, let me blend this out. Okay, this one is yellow with neutral undertone. I do see the neutral undertone, and that's all I see. I don't see red or anything, which actually makes me happy because I thought it was going to be like OD red. That's why I didn't go with warm with neutral undertone, because we all know how that turned out. And the other one was deep with red undertone, so I'm kind of glad I didn't get 30. I'm glad I didn't get 30. Okay. Now the next product, let me delete those because I don't need those anymore. It was like notes in my phone. The next item we have, yes! Oh my gosh, this baby retails for $40. I already know that from the back. I don't have to check the cards. Yep, Luxie Wonderlust brush set, catching the eye for $40. It comes in a bag, like, oh my gosh. This is what the bag looks like. It says Luxie, just like in pretty. Oh, it smells like, it doesn't have a stinky smell, but it smells like like it just was manufactured, and it has the plastic covering over the little Luxie emblem in the zipper. Oh my gosh, I wanted this brush set so bad. I was even gonna buy it from Macari. I'm so glad I got this. Now I know I could get the Tarte Maracuja spray if I wanted. I probably don't need another spray, but you know. We have a angled one, we have a small blending one, we have a spoolie, which I needed. We have the blender brush, and wow, we have everything in here. This is the Luxie 209 large shader, Luxie brow and lash 201. We have the Luxie 237 blending, little Benny baby. And then we have the tapered blending brush from Luxie 205. Wow. And then the angled blending brush from, is a medium angled shading brush 207. These are the brushes, and they retail for $40, and your girl got them. Wow. I will not be using this on today's try on because I kind of want to save these, and I already have other eye brushes out, so I'm just excited I got them. I'm just excited I got them. Okay, now the next thing, I mean, was intrigued about this because it's not just a regular eye cream, it's an eye mask. But the choices between this, it was this, the Franken Body Glow Mask, and I believe it was the lip butter. I'm not sure, but wow. Eye mask, cool. So I know this retails for some 90 something, yep, $93. Symbolicist London, I think that's the brand name. Tightening and replented eye mask. Okay, a revolutionary innovation in the beauty market in form of a eye mask in cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. This mask is fortified with hyaluronic acid as well as shea butter and works to visibly reduce puffiness and appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Okay, let's try this out. Well, not today, but must try on Monday. Apply a thin layer to clean dry skin. Allow absorb into delicate skin around the eye. No need to wash off. Carry out a patch test for 24 hours before using it. Does that mean that it has like AHAs and PHAs and everything else? Or any retinol? No, I don't see any retinol. AHA. Oh, okay. But that's like last, so it only has a little bit. Anyways, next item we have is the Ace Beauté Draw It Up Lip Liner Duo. I will be selling one of these on my Macari because I don't really do red pinky shades. This retails for $16. What I really do like about this liner is that it's a twist up liney. So the red one name is So Gorgeous. That's this one right here. This is the one that I would be having on my Macari to sell. It's really pretty. I'm not going to touch it. And I'm going to be putting it in this box. So you get the box and you get the lip liner. Go check it out. Link will be down in the description box. All right, this one that I'm going to be using is called Be Peachy. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, and it's creamy. I'm so glad I got this. I mean, yeah, I think it was between this and the lip butter, but I'm so glad I got this. Oh my gosh, no repeats. So far, we don't know about my premium. Okay. Okay, it's pigmented. And it's easy to draw a line. I like that. And liking the shade on my lips. Usually I don't like light shades on my lips because it has a brown but also peachy undertone. It actually looks good. Okay, so it's retractable. You could put it up, put it down. Also, it comes with a little sharpener so you can sharpen it so it could be more pointed. That is awesome. I'm really liking this lip liner. If they have more colors like a deep brown, I am totally down for it. I'm down for the crew. I'm down with the crew. Ooh, loving this. Okay, putting it back. Don't want to break it. And the last item in here is a palette. I was so happy when I saw this just right now, because the other one was a face palette and that was too light for my skin tone. So Boxycharm, you're actually listening to my profile base, and oh my gosh, this is like everything that I said on my profile that I wanted. This is what the packaging looks like. This is what the back looks like. I said I want majority makeup and some skincare, and I got majority makeup and one item skincare. Wow. Wow, Boxycharm. Wow. Okay, this is, again, comes with no mirror, but it does come with a plastic cover. And then these are the cool tone shades. Oh, ooh, yes. Ooh, okay, we're gonna do an eye look. Oh, by the way, this retails for $38, and I never tried anything from Beauty Bakery, so I'm excited to have this. I mean, I've always wanted to try it, but their metallic lip whips and everything else, that's not my thing, that's not my jam. And then their foundations, it's really hard to see the color, so I never know, and it's just like a whole thing, and I can't swatch in stores, so. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna go is Forehead Kisses. Right here into the brow bone and into the crease. Just like, oh, they're pigmented. Oh, that's so great that they're pigmented. Just like swipe over just to start shade. Oh my gosh, they're pigmented. I am so glad that they're pigmented. Going in with Messy Hair into the crease. Going in with Yawning on the outer corner. Just with my like detailed crease type of brush. This is the Morphe 321 brush. This is the brush I like to do on my outer corners if I want to do detailed work or just put into the crease. And these shades are pigmented. Here are the swatches of the eyeshadows that I did not use yet. Let me just take that little cover out. Okay, so first we have Cuddle Cakes, then we have Fresh Face, then we have Peekaboo, which is like a metallic, not a metallic, but like a black with some silver shimmer in it. Then we have French Doors, and then Pajamas, which is at the end, which kind of does not look that metallic-y. But I'm going to use today on my Luxie, which brushes? It's just a large shader brush, 209. I'm gonna use Fresh Face all over the lids, and let's see if I don't need any. Yep, I don't need any spray. Okay, I see you, Beauty Bakery. First of all, I'm glad I got this palette because I actually like Beauty Bakery's formula, and I wouldn't have known it if it wasn't for Boxycharm. I got this in the box, played around with it, and I love it. I created a nice neutral purple cool tone eyeshadow look, and I'm really not into cool tones, but unless it's smoky, but I am down for this. Wow, excited. And again, this retails for $38. So my overall retail value of the box is $211. $211, and I only paid $25 plus tax, so it's like $27 for 5 full-size items. 5 full-size items, and it goes with your Boxycharm profile. Wow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the Dose of Color concealer, and we're gonna do the bags. Okay. A little bit here, a little bit there, and a little bit there because we're about to put foundation. Whew. and wow, that dries darker than it applies. So I might be having some foundation eyes, under eyes, but I'm not mad at it. Whoa. Green juice. So if you want to know another unboxing that has the same variation is Tanya Nicole. I will leave her channel link down below, plus everything that's in this box. This box is basically amazing. They really went on my profile. I am happy. This is like one of my best Boxycharm base boxes ever, and I'm kind of like, oh, kind of worried about the premium. Is it gonna keep up for this? Stay tuned till the next video. I'll see you guys later. Bye, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love the way this looks. I'm looking cute today.